I don't know about you, but for me, work from home has started to pretty much be work from the screen all day long and kind of all night too. It seems like I don't even see daylight much at all, so I snuck out today for a really quick little tour with Mav. I took Mav Miller out in its cute little yellow box and wanted to see how well it could track me in the truck driving around the fields. As soon as I got Mav up in the air doing a nice top-down shot of the truck, I got a work call. And I got a second one then. So time went by. I managed to get out just in time before sundown, so there was enough light. And so I got Mav back up in the air. It only had about half a battery left or so. And we went for a little drive. And it drove great. Well, the truck, of course, was driving just fine. Unlike Bumpkin, the Rover, which just died on me today. But Mav Miller did a great job following the Tacoma across the fields, and it was able to keep that top-down shot really well. And as I was driving pretty much, off-road, I was able to flick the controls a bit on the controller for Mav and start to bring it down at lower altitude, be able to get some more interesting shots. Again, this is with me driving the truck and just doing a couple flicks with the sticks. Otherwise, Mav was able to follow the object really well. I mean, it was well lit, even though the sun was rapidly going down over the mountains. And so things were going swimmingly. We even got a little bit close to the truck, and then something happened. I set Mav to do some rotation, and it rotated itself right into the woods. I did hear it nick some of the tree limbs, turning a couple of twigs into smaller twigs. But amazingly, it was able to stay upright. So I got out of the truck and was able to fly Mav visually away from the trees, back into the field. Got another nice distance shot. Went past the Bumpkin, which kind of just died right where it is resting right now. I'll think that's a project for another day. And even found some trash along the way. We had some wind, and so picked up trash, put it in its place, back onto the burn pile. I wanted to see how well could Mav follow me in the truck through some trees to get into the parking area. And so I did a combination of manual piloting while I was in the cab of the truck and setting Mav to do the auto follow. By now, the battery was beeping incessantly because Mav was at about 10% battery, and so I needed to get it down fast. This happened at a great time. It was right as the sun was starting to get into that golden hour, even though it was an overcast day, so we didn't get much direct sunlight. Mav was successfully able to land itself. I packed it back into its yellow case and then went back to working from screen. But not before I made a batch of oatmeal cookies. And so, till next time, eat, drink, and be merry, and keep those chins up while you work from home.